Okay, the red rope that I've just attached to is the backup rope, the safety rope. That's the one that I'm going to be in charge of. It goes from you through a little pulley there to this device here. Okay, you're going to tow it down the tower for me. Normally it's locked, okay, it won't go anywhere. I have to open that lever all the way to there to let that rope move. The moment I let go of that lever again, it locks again, okay? So it's always got you. With that, I can slow you down and I can stop you, but that's all I can do. To stop all I do is I let go and you stop. Simple as that, okay? So I'm always on you with that, but you're going to do the actual descending, alright? You're going to do that with this rope, so if you take a couple of steps towards me, you're going to be on this rope here on your arm. So the black one's yours to control. Now, we'll worry about exactly what you're going to do with that once you've got you out and then sitting down.
Okay.
All you need to know about this one for the moment, comes off the tower, runs through this figure of 8 here, down to the ground. Because it goes all the way to the ground, there is a fair bit of rope there, so it does weigh a little bit, so you'll feel that weight there. Only while you're standing up. Once we've got you out into position, you won't be able to feel that weight anymore. It's just a temporary thing just while you're standing here, okay? I struggle with the word temporary. There's too many R's in it. Temporary. It's like banana. It's really easy to start spelling and really hard to stop spelling. Okay, what I'm going to get you to do in a minute is I'm going to get you to turn around and face the tower, stand where I'm standing. Both hands on that cable, and all you're going to do is get your left foot and just put it there for me and stand there while I sort your ropes out.
Okay.
So when you're ready, round your spin. Good. And then
Look, so quick, she says.
I thought you were going to stop smiling then. Nice to see you smiling again. Yeah, slack out there. Okay, now we need to pop the other foot over. Good. Good.
Okay.
Right. I'm going to take the last bit of slack out of this. And then all I need you to do now is bend your knees. And then go step this leg out for your foot to go to the bottom. Let your foot slide down. And then do the same with that foot. Okay, that's got you out there now. Good stuff. I'm going to go to the camera and get a couple of quick photos before we go to something else. Get that rope out of the way.
Right, now what do I do?
Well, my coffee break starts about 2.
All right then, I'll just hang out then. No problem. Hey Lofty.
Okay, so we'll start at
Yeah, I'll hang out with you.
Start with feet and we'll work our way up. Your feet are pretty much exactly where I want them to be. Nice and low like that.
Right.
And that bit of pressure against your toes to keep your knees off is perfect.
Okay.
Because the wall's so smooth, all you need to do is let your feet slide down. You don't have to worry about tipping over.
All right.
Okay. Just let your feet slide down. Left hand.
Don't worry, lightweight. You
Waving.
can't fight the wind.
It's only a real job. If you want to lean against the wall to help stabilise yourself, that's fine. Or grab hold of your harness down here.
Right,
Most importantly, that hand goes nowhere near this figure of 8
That one.
because that's going to get really hot.
Yes.
This hand, I'd like to slide it down the rope and I want it down there on the rope.
Down there.
Pull that way, so towards the ground.
Yeah.
That's your handbrake.
Right.
That's how we stop. At any point throughout the abseil, you stop by pulling the rope down like that. Okay, if you want to stop, you just pull the rope to.
Feels too low.
If you imagine you were lifting yourself up the rope, that's effectively what you're doing. You have to stop.
Right.
Having your arm quite straight, it means that your arm doesn't get tired. If you've got your arm too close up here, when it's bent, it's a lot harder to hold on and it gets tired much more quickly. It's quite a long way to go.
Okay.
So to move, because you weigh next to nothing, you're going to have to help this quite a lot.
Right.
To do that, what you have to do is actually lift the rope up. You have to pick the rope up and then slide your hand back down it. Pick the rope up. That's it. So most important thing to remember, to stop, we pull the rope towards the ground. To go, we lift the rope up.
Right, okay.
Simple as that.
Okay.
Okay.
I think I got that.
Good. Ready?
Yeah, okay.
And let's watch how close. I don't want that hand. That hand is to stay
That's
away
it.
from
Sorry.
there.
Yeah.
Don't want you.
Woo! It's good! Hey, hey, everybody! Jeez.
Really, really well.
Right.
Walk towards us, walk towards me, and then we'll get you out of this. Alright, well
Bash
done.
me in.
You did amazing.
Yay!